Welcome students in my YouTube channel which is Biology by Mahesh sir. Today we will take class 10th chemistry chapter which is chemical reaction and then chemical equations. In last class we have to discuss about the displacement reaction. Now we take number 4th reaction which is double displacement. The reaction which is double displacement. So we can understand these reaction with the very common example A, and we can write the F plus B, and we can write G, react, and then in double displacement they produce AG plus BF. Here we can say easily that it is a functional group, and in second compound it is a functional group. So they interchange their position from one compound to another compound. So definition is that the process or the chemical reaction in which the two functional group interchange their position, or we can say that the one functional group move to the another compound and the second compound functional move to the first compound. That time it is called double displacement reaction. Displacement means the movement of functional group from one compound to another is the displacement. Now in double displacement means the movement of functional group from one compound to another compound and then second compound to first compound here. So here Ag and Bf is a new product. So it is called double displacement reaction. So we can write the example of double displacement reactions. First of all, FeS react with H2SO4 and we obtain FeSO4 plus H2S. So here S is shifted here and then SO4 is shifted here. So it is the example of double displacement reaction. Now second example of double displacement reaction. We can take the second example of double displacement reaction. BaCl2 plus Na2SO4. Now new product is BaSO4 plus NaCl. So it is the example of double displacement reaction. Now we can take the third example of double displacement reaction in which AgNO3 plus KBr react and AgBr plus KNO3 is the product. So in this process we can clearly observe that the one functional group move to the second area and then in second example Cl2 is moved to the sodium and sulfate is moved to the beryllium. Now in third example AgNO3 functional group moved to the K or potassium and then Br is moved to the Ag. So it is a three example of double displacement reaction where the two functional group move their position. Now we take the second or next number fifth type of chemical reaction which is oxidation reduction reaction. So next fifth number chemical reaction is oxidation and reduction reaction. In oxidation, the definition of oxidation can be defined in three ways. First, the process in which addition of oxygen or addition of electronegative elements. Here the electronegative elements. So the process in which first either addition of oxygen or addition of electronegative elements. Second, removal of hydrogen or electropositive elements means If electropositive elements or hydrogen removed from chemical reaction, that time it is called oxidation. And number third point, which is loss of electron. So if any of processes happen in the chemical reaction, that time it is called oxidation reaction. Again repeat, the addition of oxygen or electronegative elements, removal of hydrogen or electropositive elements, and the loss of electron, that time it is called oxidation oxidation reaction. Now we can take example of sodium plus oxygen, so Na2O. Here the addition of oxygen, meaning is that it is oxidation. Second, it is a removal of electron, so Fe2 plus, it release or remove the electron, that time it convert into Fe3 plus, so it is called oxidation reaction. So here the oxidation, now is the reduction reaction. Just opposite, addition of oxygen, that means removal of oxygen or electronegative elements first. Second, removal of hydrogen, that time we can write that addition of hydrogen. And third, loss of electron or gain of electron. So here the three definition of reduction: the type of chemical reaction in which either oxygen remove or any electronegative elements remove, or addition of hydrogen or addition of any electropositive elements, and third, gain of electron, that time it is called reduction reaction. The example of reduction reaction: sodium H2 plus, that time H is addition, NaH. Clear? In Fe3 plus, when they receive or gain the electron, that time it is Fe2 plus. When they gain the electron, that time the valency reduced, so it is the reduction reaction. When both happen in the same chemical reaction, that time it is called redox reaction. That time it is called redox reaction. So type of reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place in the same chemical equation, that time it is called redox reaction. So here the last chemical reaction, which is the oxidation reaction. So it is a 5 type of chemical reaction in the chapter first. Clear? In next class we will discuss about the how we balance the chemical equation and then the question related to this chapter. Thank you for watching my video. If it is useful, so please share to the all other 10th students. Thank you.